I think, for me, yung skills namin nandyan na po. Yung kulang na lang po talaga yung sinasabi ni Coach Noel, yung connection, tsaka yung communication namin inside. Kasi everything was given to us na already. So I think yun po talaga yung kailangan namin i-work on.
Thank you to Aliyah. You have 6 points and 7 exceptions. So what can you say about your performance today?
Siguro, may mga lapses din. Pero gaya na sabi ni Coach Noel, we have like a week to train pa or in preparation for our next game, which is Australia.
Alright, thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For Coach, gano'n lang kalaking bagay na naiikot nyo yung team nyo and nag-contribute yung mga pinasok nyo bago yung laban nyo sa NU?
So, kami naman sa training naman ginagamit naman namin sila. So, nag-expect talaga kami sa kanila na mag-deliver once na magamit namin sila. Kailangan lagi silang ready. Yun din naman yung lagi namin pinaalala sa kanila na ready kayo dapat pag ginamit kayo. Kailangan makapag-contribute.
For the players, since for you both scoring and sa given ganun, how much work are you putting on defense naman to really develop that two-way skill set and entering the NU game, which is also, you know, a hard attacking team?
Siguro, what we do in training, more on defense na, pero as much as possible, we try to apply it sa game kasi nga, ngayon, kita nga may lapses na, diba? So, ayun nga, as like what I've said kanina, we have a week to train pa. So,
and siguro to add on now, sobrang importante yung defense kay Coach Noel. And yun nga, facing NU next week, kailangan namin i-work that. Tapos, hindi naman sa defense lang din, kundi sa blockings. Kasi mas kailangan kami, mas known kami doon, and mas kailangan pa namin i-work on doon. Kasi karap na namin yun.
Para sa players, ito yung first time na makakalaban yung NU na wala yung mga seniors yung ibang players. Parang paano nyo lang i-embrace yung challenge na kayo na yung isa sa mga seniors na team?
Ang lagi ko lang naalala yung sinasabi ni Coach Ramil na wag hanapin yung wala. Kundi we have to work on kung anong meron kami. And lahat nandun naman po pa sa amin So, wala naman pong kulang. Kailangan na talaga namin mag-self-care.
I agree with what Angel said. Wag na nga hanapin yung wala. Kasi kami na din naman. Tsaka, we've been training for like ilang months na. So, I think connection na lang talaga yung kailangan namin i-work on inside